I tried Flip app review. App for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They think Flip is just another money transfer app, but it claims to offer faster transactions, lower fees, and an easier interface than traditional banking. I spent a week putting it to the test. On day 1, I registered and linked my bank account. The setup was quick, and the interface was intuitive. Most people ignore transaction speed, but Flip promises near instant transfers, which immediately caught my attention. By day 3, I sent and received multiple payments. You won't believe what happens next. Transfers were completed in minutes with zero hidden fees. The surprising truth is that Flip actually delivers on speed and transparency, something many other apps fail to do. By day 5, I explored its additional features like scheduled payments and real-time notifications. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of alerts, but these features help avoid late payments and tracking mistakes. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Flip app review. App is more than a simple transfer tool. It's a reliable, efficient way to manage everyday payments. Most people underestimate how much frustration it can save compared to traditional banking apps. If you want faster, cheaper, and more convenient transactions, Flip is worth considering. The shocking truth. A well-designed app can make handling money feel effortless.